Hi friends, here is a nice series problem that came in IIT JEE Main 2019. We have cubes here and we have sum of natural numbers also. Basically we have two sums here, difference of two sums. The first one is this and the second one is this. Right. We have 1 plus 1 cube plus 2 cube by 1 plus 2, 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube by 1 plus 2 plus 3 and up to 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube up to 15 cube by 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 15 minus half of 1 up to 15. Right. So let us do one thing. Let us try to break this. Let us try to solve the first sum and second sum separately. Right. Right. If you look at this nth term, right, this whatever this that is given, right. If you look at this, what is it that is given? If you take the first sum, first sum 1 cube plus 1 cube plus 2 cube by 1 plus 2 and r, whatever. What is this? What is the nth term? Nth term is 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube up to n cube by 1, 2, 3 up to n. Basically, this part, this first sum is actually summation of n 1 to 15 of this nth term. What is nth term? 1 cube, 2 cube up to n cube by 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n. Right, guys? See this term. This term, nth term, 15th term is this. Some seventh term will be n7 or nth term is actually this. Right. For when it is 1, it becomes 1. When it is 2, it becomes this 1 cube plus 2 cube by 1 plus 2. When n equals 3, it becomes 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube by 1 plus 2 plus 3 likewise. Basically, this first part is summation of this one 1 cube, 2 cube up to n cube by 1 plus 2 plus up to n. Right. But we know this one cube, 2 cube, 3 cube up to n cube is n into n plus 1 whole square by 2. The summation of this, the sigma will remain 1 cube, 2 cube up to n cube. What exactly is this? We know this, right? We know this familiar formula. Sum of first n cubes. Cubes of first n natural numbers is n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square. Right. So then this becomes sigma 1 to 50 n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square and sum of first n natural numbers, that is n into n plus 1 by 2. Right. Basically, we have n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square by n into n plus 1 by 2. So we'll be left with, this is in the form of a square by a. So we'll be left with only 1 n into n plus 1 by 2. Right. N into n plus 1 by 2. Basically, this we have to sum over 1 to 15. While n equal to 1, n equal to 2, n equal to 3, n equal to 15. Right. What exactly is this? This is n square plus n by 2. Right. This is equal to half of n square plus n by 2. Right. This is half of n square plus n by 2 sigma 1 to 15 half of n square plus n. Right. We can take the sigma inside sigma 1 to 15 n square plus sigma 1 to 15 n. Half of this. Right. Now now let's look at the second term. What is the second term? The second term is exactly half of first 15 natural numbers. Sum of first 15 natural numbers. This is exactly equal to this one, right? Half of sigma 1 to 15 n is same as this. Half of 1 to 15 sigma 1, half of this part, right? Half of 1 to 15 is equal to this one, half of 1 to 15. Right. Now what is sigma n square? First sum of squares of first n natural numbers is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. This we know. Right. So now our total sum has become this one minus this one. Basically, minus this one means this will cancel, and basically our total sum is this. Right. And these two will get cancelled, and we will be left with half of sigma 1 to 15 n square. Basically, half of first 15 natural numbers. Right. What is that? Sum of first 15 squares. Half of squares of first 15 natural numbers. What is sum of squares? N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Here n is 15. 15 into 16 into 15 into 30 plus 1. 15 into 16 into 31 by 6. Half of this. Right. So 3 will go here also. 3 will go 5 times. and this 2 and this 2, right? Total 4 will go 4 times here. So 5 into 4 into 31, right? This is equal to 620, right guys? 5 fours 20 into 31. 2 into 31, 16, 22, 20 into 31. It is 620. It's a simple problem, right guys? Only thing is, we should be able to calculate, or we should be able to find out what is the nth term. Nth term and just simplify from there. Thank you guys.